So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis on what market is going to be giving us for the day. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with the trade on our New Zealand dollar JPY. These are the 2 rules of trading, guys. First rule of trading, know your trend. Second rule of trading is trade with the trend. So what can you say the trend is on your New Zealand dollar JPY? You can clearly see it right here. This is a ranging market move. Previously, we were in an uptrend move, right? Previously, market was trending to the upside. It was giving a series of higher high and higher low. This was the previous trend. But when you take a look at what market is doing, the current trend right here, we can see that market is ranging. As market was able to rally or to tap this resistance, then it tried to tap our support. Market eventually came back to tap our resistance, then it ejected from the resistance and tried to tap our support, even thereby giving us a false breakout right here. Market corrected itself and came back to tap this resistance, then it ejected from the resistance and tried to tap our support. So with this support level the market has now tapped, right, we will be expecting market to reject from it and push up to tap our resistance, which market is currently rejecting, right? So market is rejecting from the support level. So we will expect that continuous rejection and market to continue to push up till it is able to hit our resistance level. So this is to tell you that whatever you would want to be doing, right, you should be aiming for the buy on your New Zealand dollar JPY. You should be anticipating for a bullish move. That is what you should be expecting on New Zealand dollar JPY. So now, when you go to your forward time frame, there's a possibility that market will drop over time. The possibility is very much there. If it does that, market will push up to come to tap this resistance. If it does not drop, market will very much continue from that movement till tap this resistance. So all you just need to do is look for your buy setup. Once you see your buy setup, go in for the buy and hold your buy position till it hits our resistance. More updates on this will be covered for you guys, so make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.